We'll extend the bridge here, utilizing the morning sun for warmth.
I can find the best silk for that.
And I will ensure the foundation holds.
According to the blueprints, the perfect spot for the foundation is right there, at the base of that ancient tree.
Reviewing the plan, we need immediate structural support right here. I'll anchor the main strut right here.
Excellent! Now we build upwards.
Right here. Look what I found, Soka. It's just what we need. We need to reinforce the main archway with that curved branch. Quickly, reinforce that gap with the silk before the wall gives way. The new home is complete!